Everybody, this is a special video for people coming to Visalia or in the Visalia area, or some people that have seen my videos even want to come here and visit. So I just made these videos that way if I take people there and I give a tour, they have like a reference point. They can like look at things, and then when I explain it, then they kind of see them with their mind's eye, because not everybody is, I understand, not everybody's like I am. So I drew this picture, and this is the site with all the stones, okay? And there's all these keyholes going all around it. And this actually is a little bit bigger. It actually extends through this whole area right here. Okay. I need to get this one too. Okay. And then over here, there's the key box, which is on the Washington, D.C. site. Shows a skeleton key. Okay. So this is where all the Stonehenge site is, where it has the arcs, 13 pillars that hold the electrical arc. And then over here, these are little keyholes, and they have stones in them as well that carry the arc. And someone recently came and dug one of these up. The one right here, they dug it up. I'm hoping it hasn't somebody that's watching my videos. So Malkuth is right here, and this is the spot for Malkuth. And you'll see that it actually has an arrow that points to Malkuth. But there's no Malkuth symbol there. Right here, there's two stones. And that's how you'll know that that is a Zephyroth right there, is that there are the two stones that face that way that have the arrows. Okay. Okay, so they also have the Kundalini paths going up the center, which is identical also. Now at Washington, D.C., this is stamped with a giant compass, the Masonic compass, the architect. It's actually stamped, so that's how you'll know. And right here, there's like this teardrop shape. And this actually it's over here, I'm sorry, it's over here. This teardrop shape is where they park when they use the site. It's very interesting. And then along here is the water. So this is water, and this pillar goes down into this water, identical to Washington, D.C. Malkuth is the earth plane, if you didn't know. This is the crown chakra. This is Shakma and Binah. This is the mother and the father. And then you've got the sixth seal, which is Saturn, which is also number 6. The seal of Saturn, which is Da'at, death seal, the Templar, Axion, death seal issued by Pharaoh Akhenaten. So, just a really brief video, just a quick diagram of the river site and how it's shaped like a key. This is the key itself. Okay. Now, this key is also illustrated in the Osirian, which is near the Masonic temple, because this is obviously the Hathorian one. Female Isis. And where did it go to? I have to find my eyes scan for sacred geometry. Okay, so I look at this map all the time. Here it is. Okay, so here is the hexagram here, and I don't want to draw it on because this is someone's map that I purchased. So, but you can see it's the 6-pointed star, triangles. Sorry, there, and there. Triangle. It's the same as this. In case you're not proficient in sacred geometry, I will just go ahead and draw it in there around the star. Same as right here. Okay, and then it goes over, and that is the key of Osiris. And then you've got, of course, the post office with the corn hanging off of the edge and the demonic DNA right here. So we've got that, and I didn't bring out my eraser, so I just erased it on my outside garage rug. It's okay. Okay, so now the Babylonian symbol, it goes like this, and then you've got like that, okay? So, this one is a trident. I'm not a very good drawer, especially backwards in the computer. So there's a trident. This one is like this. Okay, so this is the two wings, the two people that have the wings. And that is Osiris and Isis, because Isis comes with the sun, okay? It always shows her like holding the baby, always, you know, with the nursing or like whatever. And that's the mother goddess, father goddess. This is wisdom. This is Jesus. Does that make? I hope that makes sense. But this key of Osiris was of course stolen by Set. So I mean, you might even say it's a key of Set. Okay, so which is we'll get into that in another video. I would recommend. I'm going to do my next video. I'm going to write it down. I like to write things down while I'm like talking because I always remember things. And we're going to talk about the Temple of Set. Okay. All right, so hopefully that makes a little bit of sense to you. That's the key of Isis, the key of Osiris, of course. Yes, if you haven't seen any of my videos, the key of Isis is in my hand.